Now we will see Rima and Sub-Inspector Sub-Inspector Subbu standing on the other sides of the table. Super Subbu standing on the other sides of the table. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. And you know what to speak. Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
I know.
This is not a welcoming space. I need to ask you some questions. Let me ask you.
What questions? Yes, we can ask you some questions. Yes, ma'am.
You need to give some respect. He's a police officer.
Yeah, we're from Dubai, basically.
So you are not
Hey, serious.
So you have, I just asked you, right? You have seen some murders. So at the time you
That was a
are,
suicide.
okay, let it be a secret. So at the time you both were here. So will you please explain what has happened to you?
Yeah, he snatched away my pistol and he shot himself.
I have question. Why did he take the gun? He said there is some bullet.
Yeah, we kept it like this and he pulled the trigger.
But we won't did it.
Finished. Like you have CCTV. Oh, that was switched off, right?
You can ask the other person.
Or you can go for forensics. You can see the fingerprints and stuff like that. We have a lot of technology, like use that. Why are you asking us? That was a suicide.
Fingerprint of him on the gun.
And I have been having a suspect of these two individuals. I got to really reveal and confess to you, police officers, that I had been, whatever the kind of crime that they have committed, I am also a part of it because I believed them so vividly, and I thought they were the VIPs. But only later I realized when Anish put a bullet into his head, only later I realized that these two were the proxies. So I would like to request you to take care of our people. They have kept our own customers as hostages. So I would like to request, even in a way that they have kept me also captivated. I should have been really very careful whenever their body language changed when I spoke about Inspector Rima. Especially you, Mr. Dev. When I told you that Rima is fast approaching, you have been shivering and he had also been shivering. I should have been really very vigilant when that
We're going to surrender. Calm down.
So he.
You're speaking as if I
So he's
you mean to say that you are not going to surrender? You still believe that you have got a chance, you stand a chance over here for the
Never
robbery?
think about it.
So he's our evidence.
I am going to be the evidence.
I didn't even have a single soul.
I'm an ethical shopkeeper. I can put my soul to respect.
But you robbed many shops of them. What can
Come on, this is our first robbery. We didn't even execute it through.
First time we tried to say something.
Yes, sir.
No filter, no correction.
So
So poor.
in India only it's the first time. We have robbed in many places.
Ma'am, we don't even have passport, ma'am. Check us, ma'am. We are coming from
Yes,
the
ma'am.
country over there and now we are doing this.
Before
Go
you said you
down
are from Dubai and now you
yes.
are saying that you are from
Yeah, all that was made up.
What is this, ma'am?
We are from Kurunjipattinam, that small village nearby.
But why don't you lie before that?
Like he found it out. So still you are believing that we are from Dubai. And you are
Sheikh Banswar, I don't know who it is, ma'am.
I was not able to find out until Anish died. And only later I came that you people are so amateur that you haven't been able to make a proper decision of how to execute the robbery. Besides all this were happening. Right?
Yeah.
You two people were taking a lot of time to executing the robbery. That clearly showed your ill plan, and that clearly showed how much nerdish and jittery you were.
You are not proper for robbery.
Exactly. So
we didn't even harm anyone.
Officer, can you get them arrested?
Ma'am, ma'am,
please-
we'll surrender.
No, they are pretending. They
No,
are
no,
not
no,
the-
stop,
because
stop,
they are
stop,
hostages.
Ma'am,
They give the gun
ma'am,
to
take
me.
the hostages. We will. Okay, take. I will
They're
give
the
the name
hostages.
of our supplier who gave us the
Hey,
gun
constable.
and our king.
Ask. This is another evidence. He's my junior.
My name is Ball, Bay Ball.
Ball beer bala.
Ball.
Ball beer bala.
Balbir or Birbal.
Ball beer ball.
His name is Muhammad Birbal. I call him Ball Birbal. That's what he mentions.
So they say a truth.
Nice.
When I was, my boss was telling to have a iron and security him. He, they told me as don't want to, two securities don't want to come here. We have privacy.
Who told?
These two members.
We have got other
He was
evidence.
wasting his time. That's it.
So she is a customer over there. She is an evidence.
Oh, what?
Because I will be.
She has been here to buy some perfume.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Morning, it's from morning. Their body language was not good and they were very rude to me, sir.
we are going to sunrise, sir. We
Yeah,
give the names of our
yes.
Don't act.
Ma'am, our gun is itself with you, ma'am. What are you going to do now, ma'am?
although these
There's
people
not
are
a single
evidences,
scratch on
they
him.
are kept as hostages.
I reported everything to this sir over here, ma'am.
My
You are
name is
playing
Ramsey.
video games out there.
But
How can they
We
be
gave everyone,
hostages?
we gave everyone
Yeah.
the biscuit and all, ma'am.
At all.
But he
Check in your
completely
phones, man.
Ma'am, you got tea and all, no? What you are
Yeah.
doing?
No, this person completely believed in both of them.
You're happily
That's why
chatting
he
over
did
there
not
and
take my hand very
Don't
lightly.
act.
Sir.
Okay.
They made a
Ma'am,
joke of
we
it.
are not acting, ma'am.
Yeah.
Mr.
But
Johnson,
I don't believe you.
Yes, sir.
you want another
Ma'am,
evidence?
what more body language you want,
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am. We are amateur.
You want me to do this?
You want another
First
evidence?
time, ma'am.
Prove this.
No, they say that they are surrendered. Thank you, ma'am. You can have your seat.
We will give the names
Also,
of the
they
person who showed us
are
our gun and all, ma'am.
punishment.
Arrest them.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So ma'am, I'm also one of the hostages, ma'am. So I was seeing that you're taking those people, ma'am. So I want to say something, ma'am. So actually, ma'am, one of them was killing the people on, ma'am, I don't know who is that, ma'am. I was a bit too long from him, ma'am.
See,
So
you have
one
evidence
of
from our
them
online
had
customers.
killed him.
When did I kill someone?
I don't know.
Where is the body then?
Yeah.
What he is doing?
Thank you.
Who is he first of all?
And that's my online customer, and he has been witnessing everything over
Did
the
I kill someone?
Sir, where is the body then?
You dispersed it.
Sir!
Expose it.
Ma'am,
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 go for forensic science. You have it right.
We'll go for it. But
Come on, say the truth. Did we kill someone?
No,
No.
they did not kill anybody.
Then your employee saying,
please
Even a single
No, no.
scratch.
It was a coincidental thing. They did not kill Anish, but Anish had been given the instrument by them.
He
Because it was-
snatched it away from
His
me.
He
gun was
overpowered
not
us, ma'am.
Yeah.
It was never our intent to kill anyone. He snatched the gun
but-
away from us.
but however, we all request you to put them into behind the bars for the robbery that they tried.
of course, sir. We
Yes, Andrew.
Yeah, for 3 or 4 years.
Huh?
here for your 10
What?
years.
Just for attempt what
3
if
or
we
4
do?
years?
Not for 3 or 4.
Just for the 4.5 hours of crime that you have committed here, 3 or 4 years. But for the crimes that you have committed before that,
Sir, no
This is
crime
our
before
first
us.
time.
This is our first time, sir.
We are newbies, rookies.
they will give you the torture back to the police department, then you can reveal all this. Ma'am, please ask them to clear the
Ma'am,
place.
we
This is a business hour. This is a big business hour for
Okay,
me.
okay, don't do
Get
that.
up!
Ma'am,
Get
wait
up.
up. Yeah.
Get
You
up.
don't even know how to handle a gun.
Abhijit, you want somebody else to help? Because
No,
this
sir, no,
guy seems to be dangerous.
No.
Hey,
Okay.
hey, you please, come on.
Just you should be stolen.
Sir? No, sir.
I'll show you.
Abhijit, the 2 jerseys they have stolen from my store.
What?
Ask them to remove it.
No.
Check this out. Then what we are going to do?
Take it out. Take it out.
You did not pay for any answer. Very nasty fellows. Get your attention.
Yes.
Police service.
Let us come into this one.
There you go. So thank you. Please, good job. No? What a ulla part. Okay, so Inspector Rima and Super Subbu have managed to convince the robbers, and towards the end you could have seen the robbers got a little bit naive, and they were not very strong as they used to be in the beginning, and they got convinced and they surrendered, they confessed, and that is the end of the sequence of Reshwar's skit. So, Reshwar, can we call this as the end of the skit?
Yeah, yes sir. Yeah, that's good.
We could have finished this yesterday
There is a
itself.
Krishna, now that is really good skit now.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you everyone.
So, like I mentioned in the task sheet in the morning, we are going to have an extensive presentation by Reshwar himself and by Uday Sri Pindra. So, if you could have the chairs closer, we shall start.
Hey.
Hold closer. Camera is not available. Sit down and go. Okay, so you start with the ratio. Now that we have completed the skit properly, yeah. Now that we have completed the skit properly, so ratio. Right from people like Navilan to the previous kid before that, Kalpita, we have been having all the skits drawn in various genres. Now you got to tell us what probed you to come up with this kind of a skit idea, and what was the main reason for this, and give us the epilogue of it. Come on.
Okay, sir. So, I'll tell you how I first came up with like this. First of all, the idea of this plot. So actually, this is not completely made by me. I saw a short film on YouTube, which is basically the same thing, but there's only 3 characters and one setting, which is like one aisle of a grocery store. That's it. That's all the setting is. The rest is like an entirely psychologically based, like saying a fight between the person who's going to kill himself and the robber that's there. So that's where I got my idea from, and I saw this short film and it was so interesting.
Right.
And I was like, whoa, that's crazy. You could spend 20 minutes just by talking about psychology and make it interesting, right? Even with just like a small setting and not even much big of a plot. So that was where I saw that video, and I didn't think of it then, but then a few days later when I started thinking of ideas to make for the presentation, I remembered there's this other movie called Inside Out. I don't know if y'all heard of it. It's like a Disney movie. It's kind of the same thing. It's a movie based on like the emotions that go inside people's head. So I just wanted to combine both of them and try to bring out this skit, and I thought it would be cool because like we haven't really had something like this before, and I didn't really want to make it like a skit that everybody does, where like somebody dies and then it's like an investigation and all that. So, and plus you told me to make it more psychological, so I thought this was the best way to do it. So yeah, and also from the skit, it's easy to learn like a lot about ourselves and to be self-aware. Like I said yesterday, because a lot of times we're not even in control of ourselves, and we don't know what's going on in our head, right? I think for Anish actually, I loved how everybody was like screaming at each other at one point, because that's probably how it was for him in his head, and even like for situations that we experience in real life, it feels like there's a lot of thoughts just bouncing back and forth in our heads. And so like through a skit like this, we can be aware of those, and we can be sure, like we can choose which emotions to listen to by just like thinking about what's right and what's wrong and all of that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
So,
basically, yeah.
adding on an intriguing question on the explanation that you have given, Mitra, see if it is getting recorded. Adding on the intriguing question, rewind your life and go back, and was there any situation where you could have used this approach? Now that you have got the learning out of this particular skill, was there any particular sequence in your life, or was there any particular moment in your life where you feel right now that, oh, I could have behaved in this and this way. Now that I have got the technique that I have learned from the skill, I should have behaved in this way in the past during that particular situation. Is there any situation like that?
I can think of one.
Yeah.
So this was in India. There was this guy who was being a real jerk to me, and I didn't really know why. And he wasn't even like he wasn't even that strong or something. He was a small dude, and I'm like, oh, why are you being such a jerk? And my friend, the previous day, he told me, if somebody messes with you, you should beat him up. And at that time, I was really angry because he was really annoying me. He didn't let me do what I was supposed to. Like I had schoolwork and stuff like that. So I started a fight. I pushed him. He pushed me back, and then we started throwing punches. and yeah, this was in like 10th grade. And actually, if no, eventually the guy started crying, and I felt bad for him, so I went and apologized later. But if I understood all of this back then, I could have totally avoided that. Gladly, no teacher was there, so.
Right. Got it. Good one. So now Brinda will explain the scope of learning that she had out of this wonderful skit that we had in the past 2 weeks.
Sir, it was really a wonderful skit, sir. First of all, I have to appreciate Rachel Rahman for this.
Thank you.
Welcome. Sir, first day, sir, it's all about you will tell the emotions, sir. They have to come and that. But second is totally different from that, sir. So each one, the main person will sit in the center. All the emotions will fight each other, sir. The scope, fear, regrets, wonder, everything will be fight each other, sir. The main learning out of the skit is we have to, whenever the situation is, we have to control our emotions, sir. And whatever time comes, we have to listen to our emotions and then we have to find the solution for this, sir.
Right.
So this is my learning.
Fine. Okay. Right. Anybody else would like to give a learning idea out of the skit? Yeah. We'll start with Mitra and then Vishnupriya.
Sir, every time in every situation we will have a lot of emotions in our mindset. Everything will be speaking up, sir. Like in this skit, Dev, Anish, and we were facing their emotions, sir. In each and every sequence, they faced different emotions, sir. And it is up to their mindset. They have to train their mindset up to which they can choose what will be right in that situation, sir. Anish, there were a lot of negative and positive emotions with him, sir. But finally, he was the one who chose it to die, sir. But at the same time, Dev and Veer were trying to mostly act according to that, sir. And finally, they took up a decision to rob this shopping mall, sir. So we have to train our mindset so that in any situation, if any crisis situation, if we are facing these types of emotions, we have to be stable and we have to choose any one emotion out of that and we have to act according to that, which will be good and appropriate to that particular situation. So.
Vishnupriya.
Almost the same, sir. So it's like whenever we will have lots of emotions distracting us, sir. So we have to sit quietly at that point and we have to we should be that good enough to choose which emotion is good at the same learning which Mitra said, sir. I had it learning.
Anybody else? Everybody in the online
Sir.
team? Yes.
So, sir, I have two learnings, sir. The first one is obviously listen to your emotions and don't just rush through things and take a deep breath and understand what you really want and what would really be right, sir. Because in this skit, I don't think we did do a thought process for Anish, sir. But I don't think he thought if he was a real person, I don't think he would have thought things out properly.
Okay.
And my second one is don't be stupid, because Anish just killed himself, and I don't think that's
Nice appreciation.
so.
Don't be stupid. Thank you.
Don't be stupid for who? For Nagalan?
Anish said,
Okay.
I don't know, people who suicide, in my opinion, sir, some people just don't have the guts to face what life has thrown at them, sir. So that's why I said that, sir.
Okay, Kiran. I have a question for you. Maybe you or Reshwar can answer this. This afternoon something happened. This afternoon something happened. I was sitting here and I was working something. One student of mine came. He told me that he wants a job. And just like any other students, he was requesting me to look for some job avenues because he is jobless right now. His wife walked out on him because of the point that he is jobless. Such a wonderful lady. Right?
Very supportive.
Very supportive. Yes, correct. So when we were speaking, he told me the place he got graduated from, he was a mechanical engineer. So the place he got graduated from was a college by name VSB Engineering College, which is in Coimbatore and which is in Karur. VSB. VSB. Karur and Coimbatore. This VSB Engineering College is very special to me because ever since I became an entrepreneur, way back in 2007-8, they have been inviting me to Karur and the man, the owner of the college. Yeah. So Birbal is Birbal. So that man, his name was Mr. Balusamy. He was an advocate, okay? He was a very nice man. And he used to give me a lot of chances. And he saw some magnetism in me, so he asked me to give mass sessions. If you go back in my YouTube channel, if you go to the previous recordings, you will find me holding the mic and speaking in front of 1,500 people. So he got graduated from that college. And I stopped going to that college from 2015. And I was inquiring with him, how is your college and how are the staff members? And then he told me this shocking news that, sir, உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது சார், அந்த காலேஜ் நீங்கள் இருந்த வரைக்கும் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு, நீங்கள் கன்சல்டன்ட் அது வரைக்கும் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு, now it's lost. அவர் எழுதிட்டாரு அப்படின்னு சும்மா கேஷுவலாக சொன்னான். And only he told me later that Mr. Balasamy committed suicide because he started a college in Coimbatore. அது அவர் பையன்கிட்ட கொடுத்துருந்தாரு. He was not able to run properly. There were huge loss. Therefore, he committed suicide. So, even now, till this minute, I'm not able to, I'm not prepared to learn the point and digest the fact that the man is not here. So, if you were in this situation of a counsel, like that man used to ask a lot of advice from me. Manindan ipdi pannalangla, Manindan apdi pannalangla. He used to be, I think he was 63, 64 that time. So, his son was taking care of the other college. So, he used to consider me as a counselor. So, he approached for a lot of counsel elements. So, if you had been, since you mentioned yourself that you hate the people who are trying to commit suicide, if you were in the counsel community of Mr. Balasamy, again the inner conflict, just like in Resha's kid, when the man was trying to commit suicide, there would have been a lot of stack of emotions, just like Veer, Dev, Rima were all having here. So if you had been one among the counsel, that is inner emotion, if I am expecting a solution that he should be alive, what would have you done to ensure that he is alive at this moment? Please don't ask me to repeat the question.
Sir, so first, like, obviously I would have thought things through, sir, and to be more specific on that, I would have thought about what would happen if I died, then I would have thought about the people who would be affected by that, sir, and I would have thought if I die, then these people will get affected, and that's I don't wish to put them through that. So you can think in that way, sir, and or you can think if I that's the only solution I have for now, sir. I would think of how many people it would affect, sir, and how it would because some people, once they die, the people who are affected go into deep depression, sir, and it's really hard to get out of it sometimes. And so I would think about how that would affect the people around me, sir.
Okay, what you say is community empathy in psychology. That is, I would want to think about what kind of effects my connected people will have if I go out of this world. Okay, that's a good answer. Resha, the blood administrator. Resha, what was the chance alive and available for us to keep that man alive? What do you think?
It's a slim chance. I mean, it's that guy was already pretty deep down. I mean, he was buying like 15 packs of cigarettes in the store, and I think as a person who's not in that sort of situation, we always kind of have to show that the concept of hope for a better life, and not only that, kind of similar to what Kieran said, like yeah, to show that you're there for them, that there are people there for the person, no matter what the person does, right? Because that's like what, because like people who suicide, they believe that like let's take for example like student suicides, even because they don't get the marks that they want. I heard it's pretty high in India, which is not good, pretty sad. And so I think what goes on in their mind is like they feel like they're they're not meeting the expectations of their parents and their family and their friends, and so they feel like if they don't do well in exam, it's like they're gonna lose their trust and their love and stuff like that. So sometimes that's what happens when they don't get good marks. And so being a person like seeing all this, they should come and tell them that at least they're always there for them, no matter what, and should try to convince them that their family is also there. It's not like they hate them, and
Okay, so listing things up for the people and trying to show them what are the things that they will damage if something of that sort happens. So that's what you are saying, right? Smart answer. Thank you.
Sir, before he takes that decision, he has to do thoughts guidance, sir. So once he realizes that his business went in loss, he has to realize, okay, what will happen next, sir? And he will get an answer, okay, his image won't be completely destroyed, sir. Yes, sir, it's a failure that his college or his business got into loss, sir. But no one is going to disrespect him because of that, sir. He can do what he can think, and he has to do a discussion with his son or his family members, sir. He has to speak up open, and he has to just speak the truth what happens, sir. And then finally his family members will say some answers, sir. If he don't get any answers, he has to speak with his mindset, sir. By locking up a door, and while he's sleeping, sleeping he has to take up some decision, and he has to speak, sir. And then also if he will definitely get answers, sir. If he does multiple attempts, he can definitely get some answers, sir. Either through his family members or through his mindset, or speaking to himself and doing his thoughts guidance, sir.
Thoughts guidance. Okay, so that's a good answer. Thank you. So, community empathy by Kiran, and listing up things and what kind of damage impact that could happen by Reshwar, and thoughts guidance by Mitra. Yes.
And by the auto session, the therapy also would be a solution for this. Yeah, like the problem will be growing. Problems will not stay in the same condition. It will be passing away from the life. So we should ask the mind that what is the solution. We want to find the answer of for this question, and
Come on.
Okay, you're so far, so come on. What are you coming to say? In which way you wanted to finish?
Yes,
This thing
sir.
out.
The finish will be the milestone of success. So you want to finish.
Stepping stones. Failure will not be milestone. Stepping stones. Failure is milestone. Right. Any other answer? Good job. Yeah. That's it.
Sir, so basically as everyone said, if he trains his mind well, so he can sit back and think technically, sir,
Okay.
what he can do to get the college back on track. So first of all, he should get the incompleted members fired, sir,
Right.
because they are the ones who are putting the college into trouble,
Right.
and he can start again from scratch, sir,
Right.
like from framing the budget and how to utilize the money properly, how to technically structure the college back in state,
Right.
so that students can come running back to the college and sometimes governments also need colleges, so
Right.
you can ask for government help also.
Right.
So if he does all the things which my friends mentioned, then his mind will be stable and he can do technical things.
So starting from a new re-engineered approach. Nice. Yes. Yes. 0 to.
Sir, instead of acting emotionally, sir, because if a person really wants to take their lives to lead, because either one they are fed up or two they don't think they can live up to their expectations, sir, or three they feel like they don't deserve to be here, sir. All of these things mostly are results of I think so. All of these are basically results of emotional thinking, sir. If a person like the person Anish mentioned, sir, he according to Reshwaran's plot, and taking little things out of subtext, yes, sir. He was a smoker for quite some time, sir. So that means even before everyone knows what smoking does in now, sir. Even though he knew that he wanted to continue that habit, hoping that it begins, sir. So it's a long-term habit that makes us think that he didn't deserve to live, sir, or he couldn't keep up to the expectations, sir. Those sorts of things, if they, as Lakshmana mentioned, think technically, figure out a foolproof plan, they will be able to get out of the situation they are in, sir. But before they even try to do that, sir, they need to understand that they need to continue, sir. They need to move on.
Right. So first take a decision that life has to move on, and then sit and plan. So you have no rights to put a full stop and call it as an end. That's what is supposed to be. Yes.
Sir, and if he really loves the college very much, then he should make a comeback and he should pull the college out of trouble. So we must think of the college and how we can bring it back and revive the old glory days back. So if he really loves it, then he would have dropped the ideas of suicide and like he would have gone, like he would have entered the field and he would have started the college.
Right. That's correct. That's correct. That's very deep. That idea is very deep. So if he loves the college, there is no point of coming to suicide. Okay. Oh my God, that's such a man of big stature. He used to speak a lot to me, and life is very crazy. Sometimes it eats you. Right? Okay, so I'm so happy that at this age you are able to think so deep. Good job. Well done. So we are moving on, as Naman mentioned. So we are going to the next activity. Anybody else would like to give a finishing line, or Reshwar himself, before we move to the next activity? A small, tiny activity, because we don't have time for starting a new skit, and let us take a break from the skits. Tomorrow we will have another plan. Maybe we will start with Kirtana's plot tomorrow, but I will tell you later. Anything else before we move? Reshwar, can you move to the next activity? Oh.
Yeah, I just want to say it was awesome. I think everybody participated pretty well, and it'd be awesome if we could do another sort of activity like this in the future, you know, with a different plot. Yeah.
You stick to this, okay? So you stick to this. Whenever you are coming with another plot also, always stick to psychological aspect, because you are good at it, and we discussed earlier, and I have given you the book, and you have also started reading that book. So you work on this alone. So you stick up to this particular genre, alright?
Okay.
Okay, so in that case we are going to the new activity, and the new activity requires 3 teams. The 3 teams.
Excuse me, sir.
Prabhu, yes.
Sir, sorry for joining late and not speaking, sir. I'm getting a poor connection, sir, so it makes me to join late, sir. Even though I'm having full tower, sir, inside it's showing us poor connection, sir. So that's why till it connects, I joined it in this second, sir.
No
so
problem.
I'll try my best to speak, sir.
Alright, no problem. I understand. I understand you are not going to be the person who is sitting idle and listen passively. Okay, so now Prabhu Aditya, Reshwar, Kiran, Balaji, Kapil Nitin, Ritan Nitish are going to be in one team.
Sir, 1 to 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
This activity is connected to realize and make all of you understand how much you have observed and understood your peers. So there will be 3 teams. team red, team green and team blue. So for each team we will have leaders and
Sir, you say online team, sir, they are the team leaders.
we will decide that. We will decide
Sir,
that.
1 minute, sir. Sir, can you repeat the title of the
Team red, team blue, team.
Yes,
activities names?
find the person. Guess the person.
Yes, sir.
Find the hidden person.
Uh-huh.
Find the hidden person.
Today itself, will it get completed or?
It might continue tomorrow also. We are going to go for a shuffle here in the direct form. They are not going to be in this way. Sorry?
Leader of online.
The leader of online team will be Rachel. How much time do you have today?
I have like 15 to 20 minutes left.
Okay. So the leader will be Ritan Nitish.
Sir, it can't take, sir.
So what's the color?
Sorry?
What's their color?
Red.
John,
Team.
Off for off for.
Nalla. Team red, that is the online team, is Ritan Nitish is the leader. Okay. Now count 1 and 2. Whoever I am pointing, the pointed person will count 1. The next pointed person will count 2. And the third pointed person will count another 1.
So 1 and all, 1.
1 and all, 1, 2, 2 and all, another 2. Okay, alright? Ravindra? Vishal? Evelyn? Kirtana? Harin? Mitra?
2, sir.
Brinda? Darshan? Vishnupriya? Alright. 4 are the ones.
Sir, Kalpitaka for 2, sir.
4 are the ones.
Kalpitaka, Nagalananna, Hariharananna, Brindaka, Vishnupriyaka.
How many?
5.
And
Party on us.
Team green or
I'm indoor team now. 4 are the 2s.
2, sir.
So 1, 2, 3,
So that's it, sir.
4.
Krishnan,
5. So 5 and how much in team 1?
5, sir.
5 and 4. That's imbalance.
Sir, then you are going to change us, sir.
Idli 3
Unlimited. Okay, let it be.
Sir, in the 9
Idli for 5 for us.
5, 4. 5,
Let
5.
it be the same, sir. Sir, that is.
Change according to the team. Shuffle yourselves. Team 1 here, team 2 here. Team 1 here, team 2 here.
the leader of
Yeah, I'm coming.
Sir, are we team 2 or team green?
Team 1 is blue and team 2 is green. So where is team 1? So this is team blue.
Leader, sir.
Team blue or green?
Sir, blue.
green.
Sir,
Huh?
want to be, sir.
Correct.
Sir, our team leader.
Hurry.
Sir, now it's process of
Ready. And for this team, Krishna to be ready. So team written red. Team written red. Team Hariharan green. And team Krishna blue. Okay. I have to get this mask. It's a lot of threats.
I need a solution. So like team counting.
Yellow color.
Team blue.
Team blue. Team blue.
Sir, now blue and
They
blue.
take success when we speak, they give me that.
Sir, will be good.
Scientific research says medical mask is the most productive one.
Blue சொல்லிட்டாங்க.
Medical mask தான் World Health Organization suggest பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. Right, so team blue and team green, team red. Now people, please listen to me. From each team, you will have 2 calls. Call number 1, team call. When you say team call, abhina, you decide a person. You will decide a person. MSc evening sessions. So there is a hidden person. And you will start giving the clues about the person. Please don't give any obvious clues. Come on. Right? So you will choose a particular person. That can be anybody. Right from me till the recently joined Kavin Karthik. The entire roster of MSc evening sessions. Dakshin, Kiran, please don't choose anybody from US batch. Because people don't know from US batch. So you will choose a person and you yourself will give a clue. And you will target. Whether it is going to be Team Hariharan or Team Krishnan, you will target. So if you are targeting Team Hariharan will try to guess the person, guess the hidden person. And if they do, within a stipulated time, they will get 20 marks. So they are not able to do, the time elapsed, and this team tries, they will get 10 marks.
Any guesses? Any limit or guesses?
Limit of the guesses, everything will be decided by the team that is executing things. அது அவங்க தான் முடிவு பண்ணணும். நீங்க உங்களுக்கு முடிவு பண்ணணும்.
We want to be
It should be equal.
It should be equal.
Sir, there Navaratna Haryana there, sir. Here me and Krishnan are there, sir. So we can choose from February 2019, sir.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay. So that is called as team call. Okay. So if you say referee call, then you will seek help from me. I will choose a person and I will give the person's revelation to you and I will be giving the clues and they will find out. Okay, right? So in that case, if you choose referee call, there is no big difference. Instead of you choosing, you are assigning the responsibility to me. But there is no loss in that. And at the same time, there is no bonus also in that. So if I am giving and you are adding some clues. Let's say for example, if team Krishnan says referee call, I give a person's suggestion to them and they note it down. Along with the clue that I give about the person, if they are also giving a couple of clues, then there will be some bonus. Sir, நீங்க ஃபுல்லா கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு பதிலா நாங்களுமே கொஞ்சம் clues கொடுக்குறோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா there will be a bonus for them. Okay, that's called as execution bonus. That is, they are executing and they are also trying to find out some clues. So please understand, if it is a team call or referee call, there is no difference. The points are going to same. Any questions?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if while we are guessing, sir, one day we had an activity where we should not reveal their names, sir. So even in this activity, should we not reveal their name or we have to just
We have any number of guesses, no, sir. So
You have any number of guesses, but the number of guesses should be decided by the executing team. That team is going to tell you how much guesses. You see, here in your team we have got 5 members. In this team they have got 4 members. So this team should obviously be given more chances to guess. And in that team we have Ritan, Balaji, Reshwar, Kiran, Balama? 7. So it's imbalance 7, 5 and 4. So I'll get the money.
for instance, if we get 3 guesses, they get 4, sir, they get 2, sir.
No, there are 7 people.
Yes, sir, so 2 guesses.
No, to make everybody speak. Or if you say unlimited, அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா time based அப்படின்னா time unlimited அவங்க எவ்வளவு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. If you say unlimited, they will be ready. யார் வேணாலும் எப்போ வேணாலும் பேசலாம். But team discussion is very important. Listen to the clues, put all the clues together, and you will be able to.
Sir, you can write the clues on the notes, sir.
No writing.
But we can write the name of the...
Name. Any questions online team? When you learn anything?
No, sir.
our special noting goes to it.
Huh.
Can we sit at the wrong situation?
Ensuring social distance, if you are able to do that, you can do that. Ensuring social distance. Ensuring social distance, if you are able to do, you can do.
Sir, how many times for discussing the names, sir, and for team discussion?
That's what is I'm going to speak about next. So as far as the time goes, let's say I'm calling team Ritan. So if it is team written அப்படினா, the first 1 minute and 20 seconds will be given for you to pick choose which person you are going to speak about. 120, almost 1.5 minute, at the max 130, and then for your clues 220 or 2 minutes. அப்போ 320 or 330 அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு total process time of the team. So within 2 minutes, if they are not able to find out, the option goes to next. 2 minutes is very very short and you need to be doubling it. Yes.
Clues should not be just about the physical aspect. For instance, glasses.
Make the clues as difficult as possible that they are not able to
It
find
can
out.
be cryptic clues.
Cryptic clues also. Cryptic clues are also here. There the biggest advantage is Balaji. Balaji knows pretty well everybody. Balaji, Kiran also can observe. Kavinitin are really very sharp.
The biggest disadvantage is the mute button.
Correct. Here you are there. Harin is there.
Hurrier is listening.
நீங்க first இருந்து
You are there
முதல்ல
right from day one. Yeah. So Brinda is there. Disadvantage வந்து கொஞ்சம் கல்பிதாவுக்கும் விஷ்ணுபிரியாவுக்கும் இருக்கு. So that's why you can help. Here of course Mitra there, Krishan and the Darshan is smart enough to grab. Keepana is smart enough to grab everything.
Mitra வந்து நடமாடு டைரி சார்.
ஆமா, நடமாடு. ஒரு digital diary ஒரு கேமரா. Okay, ready? Boys and girls. Since Reshwar is going to leave, we are going to start with Reshwar. I mean that is team written. Let them do at least once. So team written, 1 minute time to discuss. I will switch off the speaker over here. Nobody will be able to hear what you are going to speak. So, so once you are done, put that in the chat box, then I will switch on the speaker. Any questions before I switch off the speaker?
No, sir.
So, set up the time for 1 minute and 20 seconds, and I am switching off the speaker in a while. Your time starts now. They are discussing about the person.
Let's make a semicircle curve or whatever.
Yeah, you can discuss. targeting Team Hariharan, which is Team Blue, and they are going for the referee call, and they would like to add few names, few clues as well. Kiran, you got to tell me whether it is unlimited guesses or limited guesses.
Sir, limited guesses and the maximum is 5 guesses, sir.
Okay, maximum five utterance of names. Time starts now. Since it's
So maximum we can keep 2 or 3, sir.
how will they find Google? Apply me 2 or 3.
Yes. Hey, you can come here.
So, since it's a referee call, listen. Since it's a referee call, I'm starting first and I'm starting the timer. 3, 2, 1,
So
go.
you both know who the person is, sir?
Yeah, other patients.
Yeah, now open.
AC, எல்லாத்துக்கிட்டையும் ஃபோன் இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறதுனால அந்த நேமை வந்துட்டு சேட்ல ரிவீல் பண்ணி சேட்ல இருக்க அந்த நேமை ரிமூவ் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஸோ இப்போ நீங்கள் ஒருவேளை ஸ்கைப் Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Well, this person is a very interesting person, and the person is known for the kind of obedient behavior. But yes, of course, the person has got a lot of probing to be done before the person speaks. But when he or she speaks, the person speaks clearly well, very short at the same time, to the point. And most of the time, the trainer has been appreciating the person for giving a shortcut notice and covering up all the points. And as a trainer, the trainer feels that the person is a real wonderful package of obedience, respect, and of course the love, care and affection towards his own seniors here. Sometimes this person shocks you with the kind of good points during presentation, and in the skit sometimes the person is really very interested. That too, in the skit the person will be operating in a very limited manner, but at the same time effective manner. So the affection, the care, and the person was very neutral in the online. Yes, the person has been roasted several times, but nevertheless the person never showed any sort of reluctance. Time for your first guess. It's what you
we have to guess, sir.
No, if you are saying out of the 5 guesses, if you would like to pick one, you can do it. Okay, so whatever clue you have, you give, and then I'll again jump in. Come on, guys.
So I give the next clue. Can I go, guys?
Yeah. Time.
So the next thing that if we plays the role of maybe that he acts out very brilliantly, and I do appreciate that person.
That's correct. Acts very brilliantly, and most of the times Balaji has appreciated, and as a matter of fact, everybody has appreciated as well. And in the June month, when we had the direct class for the first time, the person was finding it a little difficult because the person was really having after a long stretch of online sessions, the person was not able to find comfort when the person was here. And he or she was really good at organizing things, and he or she is really good at dismantling things. They haven't given any clue. They haven't uttered any words. They still have 5 chances, and I think the clues are done. Any other clue? Now you have to speak up. You have to pick up 1 or 2. Come on.
Before the clue, sir.
Yes, you put in basic. Don't another question.
So, sir, first guess, sir, is Krishna.
Krishna is the wrong answer. The first guess is elapsed, and there are 4 more. Any other clues before we hear from the second?
No.
Kiran, go. This will be the last clue, and then they'll have to guess. It's already 3 minutes, 28 seconds. Come on.
So, like Sir and Balajiana has said, this person is silent and sharp, and this person has also attended some extracurricular activities So I hope that gives you an.
Right.
Wrong. Second clue is also done.
Guess your idea. Say okay. Sir.
Last clue, and then you have to try all the rest of the three. The person is really, really good at something beyond his age. And I was jaw-droppingly shocking the first time whenever the person's father said that he is good at this particular thing. And he is really good at it. Even now he is good at it. I don't know whether it is going to be helpful or not. Even this morning he spoke to me over phone. Okay, time 4:31 already, so you need to give all the three answers. You have given Vishwan wrong answer first. You have Reshwar wrong answer second. You have three more. Then time to utilize it. Come on. Otherwise it goes to the next team. Time.
He spoke to you today morning, sir.
Yeah, that is good.
They spoke to you today morning.
Combine.
Okay, sir.
Not today morning. Yesterday morning.
Yesterday morning.
Time is getting announced. You only have 20 seconds. 5:20. 5:20 is the seating time. 5:05 now.
Okay, sir, make guesses. You go first. Then,
Sabina.
No, you have to be very specific.
Kavin, sir.
Is that a right answer? Kavin Karthik. Kavin Karthik, right?
Kavin Raj.
Is that a right answer, Kavin Raj?
Yes, sir.
He spoke to you yesterday morning regarding the concept.
Correct. I should not have said that. But,
Morning, sir.
Well done, Team Blue.
well done, Team Blue. 5:30. So, 5:30 is a very, very long time. So, you have to give mark. 50 is the topmost, 10 being the lowest. So, 5:30, they took a long time, so you can give the mark. That is not the referee score, it is the team score. They took clues from me, they took clues from you. Mind you, the clue that made them to give the right answer was not a very sharp clue. It was a foolish clue from the referee, otherwise they would not have found out. So, putting all this into the mind, give a score within the brackets of 10 and 50.
Sir, team discussion, sir.
Yeah, quickly, Amara.
Really quick actually. Here, my idea is just to deduct 5 points for each guess, and then because they went a little bit longer, did it 10 more points. That's it.
So 35.
Okay, now, Ritin, what's your idea, Ritin? You were about to say something.
Yes, Kiran. Mine is 35 to 40, Kiran. Between those.
So my idea is around 30 to 35 because, like Sir said, Sir gave a really easy clue, like that one clue.
Okay, 35 shall be fine.
Good job, team.
Well done, Team Blue. Nicely done.
So they have deducted 15 marks for their late response. So 35 out of 50. Okay, that's it. See you next week and make sure you will be joining with another plot or something. We will work, it's not mandatory one, but we will be having some other activity. So until then, keep doing the therapies and keep reading the book that I have given you.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Alright.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye, Reshma. Have a good dinner.
Okay,
Thank you. Bye.
now which team wants to go and who will target whom?
Sir.
Yeah, team green goes. That is Krishnan.
Already here. They go to our the team discussion, sir.
Time will let you know.
Maybe we are not. Sir, now discuss particular sir and now, sir.
If we are going soon, we will start it and hold.
Okay, you have only 10 seconds left.
Discussion, sir.
Yeah.
We need to run things really, sir. Can't go.
You need to.
Number 2, sir.
Next one. Yeah. So and target is online, right? Online who knows the person? Nobody knows. So referee call or team call? Done. Go back to seat. How is it becoming minus one? Okay, so online team, you're going to be the next target by team Krishna. Referee call, sit down. So, write it down. Oh, you have just finished, yeah. Okay. Run. Okay, so online team ready?
Yes, sir.
Balaji, Kavin, Nitin, you should be in the better of age to find out. Three guesses is the limit they are giving for you. 3 guesses. Balaji, Kavin, Nitin, be vigilant. 3, 2, 1, go. This person sometimes behaved beyond the age, and sometimes the person was not clearly the favorite of the trainer, and the trainer had been really spending a lot of time in regulating the behavior of this particular person, because he or she took things for granted, and when the character adjustment was made, this person didn't even understand what was happening. And but the person loved this session and coming over here very much. And I recently came across a particular incident that had happened in their house, that he or she fought with the mom for making it on a regular basis. But unfortunately, for varieties of reasons, they were not able to find the source for making it on a regular basis. So the person kind of shows off many things, and clearly the person was not having a proper gelling with other people. But the person is a very good presenter. He or she speaks much better language, and the person's body language is very, very active, and the person has been even with his or her own elder people, the person was not keeping good terms. Trainer was thinking that the person is beyond the level of advising, the person is a kid and all that. As a matter of fact, everybody is kid here for the trainer, but the person was not into the terms with the other person. The biggest annoying factor about the person was, the person always wants to volunteer, and when the person volunteers, and if you give the chance to that him or her, the person does stupid things, speaks stupid sometimes, ill-treats somebody. The reason why I call stupid is sometimes the person has ill-treated even the elders, for which the trainer has become mad. Forget about anger, the person has become mad. So, Balaji knows the person, Kavinraj knows the person, Nitin knows the person. And also, to an extent, the person was really, really good at making skit presentations. He or she was a very good actor or actress, and most of the time the person was applauded for the kind of originality the person brought. I think you can give a try out of the 3. Come on.
Sir, small team talk, sir.
Yeah.
So friends, are you gonna hear that? Sorry, continue, Ritin.
Yeah.
No, Kiran, continue. Okay, Ratan. So I had an idea maybe Navalananda because Sir has said once a word. He and some of his students were there, and then Navalananda disrespected one of the students, and so I thought maybe Navalananda.
Wrong answer. Nagaland doesn't ill-treat anyone. I mentioned the word ill-treat.
He was ill-treated by Keshav.
He was actually ill-treated by many people. Keshav was one among them. And he never disrespects me. But this person had been roasted for disrespecting the elders. Nagaland has never been disrespectful, but yeah, most of the clues might have been matching with whatever Kiran has been observed. First clue exhausted, people. Balaji. Anybody? Time is running over.
Balaji, you have any ideas now?
4:23.
I think Keshav was one among them. It's not Keshav, so I'm thinking of. I have a name in mind, but it's not coming very properly.
ஆமா சௌரித்துக்கு எல்லாரும் பேரும் சொல்லிட்டு
This is our pair.
boy or a girl? Boy or girl?
Sir, I think it's boy, sir.
Then it is wrong. Yeah, 5:02. Take the third one, you don't have time. Because anyhow you are also going to be given only 35 or 30. Because any team that crosses over 5 will be given only 30 marks.
I think I have a guess, friends, maybe Kartitaka, because Sir also said once that she was accidentally on unmute and she yelled at her father. So maybe Kartitaka.
Sorry Kiran, wrong answer. Not Kalpita. Kalpita's dad has never spoken to me. Only mom. Uma ma'am has been speaking to me. So, and no clue is connected with Kalpita here. Okay.
Kiran, I think so. I have a guess. Sir, one last.
Time mudinju 10 nimishal.
You will not know the name though. Too old.
Time mudinju 10 nimishal Ratan.
Too old.
So, it directly comes to Team Hari. With all the clues put together. No new clues will be given.
So, sir mentioned when Malvin mentioned that it was a boss, sir said it was wrong. So, I'm thinking with what we have, it could be option 2. Are you okay with
Wait. Are you confusing with anything? Because if it is
Yeah, many of them are.
you mean your friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What's wrong with
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all.
Sir, sir.
Solapur. He mentioned Anika. Is Anika a correct answer? No, right? So then first is over. So they have given 3. Another you obviously have a 2 more. ஆமா இன்னும் நல்லா கத்து.
Capital is this is the answer, sir.
Wrong. Okay, done.
My God.
It is elapsed.
This is second.
இதுமால் நீங்க டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
நாங்க ரிவீல் பண்ணிடலாமா சார்?
So team Krishant themselves will reveal. Balaji, open your ears and listen carefully.
It is Anurita. Anurita.
So good.
Her name is Anurita, Kiran, Ritan. No way you could know her, but Balaji, Kavin, Nitin know them very, very well. In fact, that's the reason this team has chosen that name. So you get 20 points because both the teams have not revealed. When a team is not revealing, you get bonus 20. Okay, now, so far, idle, but with 35 points already in the kitty, Team Hariharan is going to make the target.
Sir,
Yes, Kiran.
I have to leave now, sir.
Right, okay, we'll meet you tomorrow. Bye, keep sharing this stuff.
Bye, sir. Bye, friends. See you next time.
Good try, team. Red and team.
Bye. Bye, Kiran. Welcome. Bye.
Okay. Bring it along.
Yes, sir.
So the scoreboard is Team Hari 35 and Team Krishan not performed so far but yet 20.
Sir, now they only do.
Target should be done.
Should be then, sir.
Target should be done. And I will perform it only. You will perform it.
Sir,
So then option 3.
Yes.
sir, for a bonus, sir.
What bonus?
Sir, you told that trainer's choice means if you give some clues in our side, you will be giving some bonus, you told, sir.
No, I never said that. I never said that. Trainer involved பண்ணா bonus கிடைக்கும் நான் சொல்றேன்.
Trainer involve பண்ணதுக்கு அவங்க plus ஆயிடுனா bonus.
அப்ப 10 பாயிண்ட் bonus.
அப்ப written team போட்டு 10 point bonus.
Okay, in that way.
Sir, that's
Huh.
so if you involve the trainer and also give clues, you get 10 points bonus.
10 points bonus.
If you don't involve the trainer, sir, and give the clues by yourself,
That's your responsibility. Yeah.
sir, apna referee concept, sir, option number 3, sir.
ஓ அதுவும் இருக்குல்ல. இப்போ ரெண்டு பேரும் ரெஃபரி கால்ஸ். அப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு 20 points bonus இருக்கு.
Yeah, sir.
அதாவது you take the whole responsibility and not involving the trainer. Trainer எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா 10 points bonus. நீங்க வந்து trainer எடுக்காம team call போனீங்கன்னா 20 points bonus.
Okay, sir. Take,
அப்போ team call போனீங்கன்னா 10 point extra கிடைக்குதா?
Yes.
Team call போகும்.
sir,
Please understand, Ritan Nitish சொன்ன மாதிரி they took the trainer's call and they also gave additional clues. அதனால team Ritan has got 10 points bonus. நீங்க full and full trainer call தான் கொடுத்தீங்க. அதனால உங்களுக்கு bonus
sir,
இல்லை.
20 points. யாருமே கண்டுபிடிக்கல.
அது சொல்ல வரேன்டா. So யார் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாரோ உங்களுக்கு 20 points. இப்போ இவங்களோட டீம் வந்து trainer call அப்படின்னா 10 points bonus. But full responsibility நாங்க எடுத்துக்கிறோம் அப்படிங்கும்போது 20 points bonus. So they are getting the kitty of 20 points bonus.
Sir,
அவங்க explain plus today.
நீ முதல்ல பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்ல வேலை அப்புறம் ஸ்கோர் பாருங்க.
performance.
We can review the person now so it will be easier for us to
In the
Okay.
everybody we will be
Balaji, Kavin, Nitin,
Sir, one doubt.
they may not know.
If, because here also only 2 people know about this person.
அப்போ அப்போ
Hypothetically,
here also அப்படிங்கன்னா 2 அப்படிங்கும்போது என்னன்னா லாஜிக்கலி ஸ்பீக்கிங் இங்க ரெண்டு பேர் அங்க ரெண்டு பேர்
hypothetically speaking, sir.
ஹைபோதெட்டிக்கலி
Sir, okay, sir.
ஸ்பீக்கிங்
If you were to ரெண்டு பேருக்கு தெரியும் சார் அமீன் வந்து க்ளூஸ் கொடுக்கலனா அதுக்கு லெஸ் மைனஸ் இருக்கும்.
அதெல்லாம் நீங்க சூஸ் பண்ற பர்சன் பட் எல்லாரையும் பேச வச்சு அப்படின்னோம்னா நானா பார்த்து ஒரு 10 மார்க் போடுறேன்
சரி, fine.
பர்சன் மார்க்
These are the things.
ரெண்டு தெரியாது
அந்த clear.
ஏ அவன் சரி விடு பர்சன் மாத்திரம்
ஒரு அப்பனா ஒரு one
நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கோ நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கோ
நீ ஈஸியான பர்சன் எடுத்தாலும் க்ளூவை கிரிட்டிக்கலா போடுறா அதுதான் இந்த கேம்ல இப்போ கிரியேட்டிவ் ப்ராசஸ் இருக்கு
number 6, sir.
number 6.
why not definitely
If it's a small person, you will say like Balaji commenting about.
Come on. Okay, so it's my responsibility. Not everybody knows it.
So what will be the limit, sir?
Okay, not everybody knows it.
ஏன்னா பாலாஜி என்ன கவினுக்கு நோஸ் அது மாதிரி எனக்கு யாரு
Mitra knows, Krishnan knows, Kirtana definitely knows. Kirtana a little bit knows, Dakshin only does not know.
Little.
And here Balaji knows, Kaviraj knows, Nitin knows. So that's the person they have chosen. Now, as Kishan asked, you got to say limit.
Four limits.
4 limits.
Thank you. Thank you.
MSc in session in 2019.
That's the 19 I joined like.
Okay. In 2009, so far. Okay. Please
Say
understand.
maximum number of clues, the same for us, 3. Or this can since there is 5.
No, what is the kind of guesses you have given? 4. Maximum 5. Maximum 5. அவங்களுக்கு மட்டும் தான் மேக்ஸிமம் 7, உங்களுக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் 5, இவங்களுக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் 4. ஸோ மேக்ஸிமம் ரீச் கொடுத்தாங்க, பார்த்து பேசுங்க. டைம் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் நவ 3, 2, 1 go.
So the first clue is that this person has been a part of about 3 major skits, if you know what I'm talking about. And the second part of the first clue is that said person has a very interested lean on sports.
Discuss பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, first பேர் சொல்லுங்க sir.
We were discussing, sir.
Even also I was discussing, we were also discussing. That is not question.
யார் பேசுங்க? அப்போ உங்களுக்கு போச்சு.
No problem.
Sir, you can correct the word.
எழுதுங்க.
Correct the word.
ஃபேர் பிளே வரல இங்க கிடையாது. போலாம். கோவத்தை. ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க.
Sir, do they have any more questions?
If you want the next clue, please ask us.
Yeah.
Next group.
So
க்ளூஸ் பார்த்தா நீ க்ளூஸ் கம்மியா கொடுத்தா ஒரு மைனஸ் கொடுங்க.
அவங்க discussion பண்ணிருந்தாங்க.
க்ளூஸ் ஃபுல்லா கேளுங்க முதல்ல.
So the next clue is that the person has people go up in pairs, right? So the person and their pair, I can't mention who that is, and their pair together they make a pretty inseparable team. And as I mentioned before, and mentioning it yet again, they have an even more greater lean into sports. Any guesses?
எஸ் அதாவது க்ளூஸ் அதிகம் வேணும்னா நீங்க தான் கேட்கணும்.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, next.
ஏன் அடுத்து ஹரியனுக்கு தெரியும் அவன் சொல்றேன்.
Amma clue ma.
So the next clue is that the person.
ஏன் அவர் பேச மாட்டாரா?
Sir, our clue இப்ப என்ன கேட்டா So the next clue is that the person has been injured.
அதான் சொன்னேன்.
Confusing.
இது கொஞ்சம் காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடா சொன்னேன்.
க்ளூஸ் பார்த்தா
Next clue.
And in the skit, the person will be acting as a really
realistic role. Perhaps D was realistic role at that time we had that.
because it does not it's not in the roster right now.
Not in the roster.
அதனால நான் நல்ல சொல்லும்போது சொன்ன உங்களுக்கு அது. So the time is 2:51.
So we have only just two more guesses right now.
No, no, take it 3.
2 and 3 guesses.
4 guesses.
4 years, 1 year.
One is another 5 minutes one.
நான் டைம்
No, three then.
இல்ல நீ தானிஷ் சொல்லிட்ட அதனால 1 exhausted 3 மட்டும் இருக்கு. 3:11. குட் சான்ஸ் 4 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ள முடிச்சீங்க அப்படினா நான் அதே பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு.
Ajay Aditya.
Wrong answer.
Okay, now next clue.
That's a good guess actually.
very good guess. So the last clue is cricket.
No. It's not good. No good.
The parent. Okay, sir. So I'll give another clue for you. The person has represented our school.
What?
Okay, come on. You can still make it.
Okay.
The person has represented our school in PNLC school.
Fantastic. This is a simple group.
Okay.
Put all the clues together. Think about it.
Only one guess.
Yeah, only one guess remaining. Parents are exhausted. 4 minutes and not, I mean, still about 50, 60 seconds. ரெண்டு டீம் 5 நிமிஷத்துக்கு மேல எடுத்துட்டாங்க.
ஃப்ரெண்ட் யாரோ வந்திருந்தாங்க.
So she hasn't played cricket right now. Cricket play Malayalam, sir.
He or she அப்படின்னு கேட்டா அவன் சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க.
No sir, you told that
They haven't played professionally with us, according to our level. We keep.
பேக் எடுக்க வந்து
I cannot prove this to with the
உங்க
friend.
ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஒருத்தர் வந்தாங்க.
அப்பளுக்கு எப்படி தோணும்?
Sir, நீங்க என்ன sir சொன்னீங்க கொஞ்சம் தெரியும்.
5 minutes elapsed.
Come on, it's 30 seconds and we're done. Come on, come on.
5:30 is the ceiling time.
Come on.
5:30 is the ceiling time.
He or she is still representing Shanti School.
Yes, in Shanti.
Come on, yes, come on, come on. 10 seconds. Come on, come on, come on.
He or she.
I can't tell. Come on, come on. Come on,
Elapsed. Sorry. Done.
listen.
Sir, I have a question.
You have a guess.
Yes, sir.
Now, sorry.
I'm open.
Sir, is that Ritvik, sir?
No. But that's a good guess.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer.
The answer is Vishnu Ram.
Well, he and his brother were inseparable pairs, and they both were in swimming, and the elder one.
Actually, a referee call அவங்க சொல்லிருந்தாங்கன்னா the elder one always drops particular thing in the hand அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஸ்டீல் பாட்டில் கீழே போட்டு இருப்பாங்க. But referee call okay, right. Now, first and foremost, bonus 20 points for taking team call and bonus 20 points for making the other two teams not revealing. So 40. So Team Hariharan is now 75 points. It's your turn now. Ritan, Prabhu Aditya, Kavin, Nitin and Balaji, it's your turn now. And you can target whichever team you want.
I thought of saying cricket because we used to play inside here also with the torch as the stump. And the elder brother bowled so fast.
அவனை எவ்வளோ இன்ட்ரெஸ்டாக காமிக்க பண்ணுங்க நீங்கள் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அவங்க எப்படி கெஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க நீங்கள் அவங்க கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க
Can we go for team call? Team call.
Excuse me, sir. Can we go, sir?
கூப்பிட்ற பையனை பண்ணிட்டு இருந்து நீ தூங்கிட்டா இருந்த Yeah, go for it. Who are you targeting?
Friends, what do you think? A bit fast.
Huh?
Sir, I am asking to the teammates, sir. Prabhu, Balajina.
Balaji is not even on the call.
Prabhu.
Okay, you discuss and let me know. Now I am going to ask team Krishnan to do. எல்லாத்தையும் இன்வால்வ் பண்ணுங்க எல்லாத்தையும் இன்வால்வ் பண்ணுங்க புரியுதா இப்போ அவங்க டீமில் வந்துட்டு ஆக்சுவலாக அதுக்கு அடுத்தது மைனஸ் கொடுக்கு நான் ஆமாம் அதுக்கு ஒரு மைனஸ் கொடுக்கும் ஏன்னா நீ ஒருத்த மட்டும் தான் கியூ கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க ஹரியரன் வந்துட்டு அவனே பேசணும் Another 10 points minus. Will 60. 65. நீ அவன்கிட்ட ஒத்துக்குனா பத்தாது.
Sir, you want the Kishore Giri close சொல்றதா sir இவன்.
ஒரு க்ளூ பத்தாது. நீங்களும் சும்மா உட்காந்துருப்பீங்க. அவன் ஒருத்த மட்டும் பேசிட்டு இருப்பா. மார்க் மட்டும் நான் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறது. அப்போ எதுக்கு இந்த act? இதுக்காக இது. நீ இங்கே வாய் அடிக்கிறதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் இருக்காது.
இல்லை எனக்கு நான் பக்கம் ஆப்போசிட்
அதுக்கு அப்படியெல்லாம் அதுக்காக வாங்கியிருக்காரு. 3, 2, 1, go.
So this person was a very good personality and
How
he
many clues?
sir
How many clues?
three sir
3 clues.
I mean 3 limit
Yeah. Go.
So he or she spoke very well. So this is your first clue. So second clue will be given by Kitnapa.
He's good in presentation.
He. So now is ulta.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah, she is good in presentation. And then as Mitra said, he or she might spoke very well.
அதே க்ளூவை நீ ரிப்பீட் பண்ணிருக்க. வேற என்ன புதுசா சொல்லிருக்க?
But the one thing about that person is, like, he was here for a brief point of time. So that's a very easy one. He likes Chinese friends.
என்னடா அதுக்குள்ள? சரி கிளம்பு.
So the next clue is he or she got scolding from sir sometimes. He or she was blasted 1 or 2 times and he felt really bad at that time. That's it.
Yeah, and he's very confident when he or she turns on the video and likes to act the words out in times. As I mentioned, he or she was here for a brief period of time, not too long to make an income.
He or she is very strong in both physics and at the same time mentality. He or she is very strong enough to face everyone in this class.
Yeah.
So yeah, she is good in team discussion. If one person left in team discussion, yeah, she might call the person and she might mingle with the team members.
He or she in discussion gave lot of support to the other team members and at the same time he or she cooperated with them and whatever role he or she was given.
Alright, okay, once again I'll pass the time. Krishnan, you start.
Bye, Krishnan.
Okay, so Krishnan has got something to practice. He has given me the script.
Yes.
So we will all give a practice to him tomorrow.
All the best, Krishnan. Easy now.
All the best.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, so your time is resumed. Come on.
He or she cooperated with his or her teammates very well and at the same time whatever role he or she is given, he or she gives his or her best and performs very well and even got appreciated by sir sometimes.
Time to give the first revelation.
Sir, one.
Yeah.
So, Dakshina school, I'm not.
So, பரவாயில்ல அது பண்ணாம இருக்கு.
His classmate are very older than him. I can't strike his name. So first I thought it would be the other person whom sir mentioned a couple minutes ago from Dakshina school. But then they started talking too much about things about him, so I started finding this person. Does anyone remember his name? No one can.
Make the first revelation.
So that's the guesses I had. Anyone else had any guesses, please? You go to.
I'm putting the clues to the pata. Mitra matla clues கொடுத்துருக்க. That should give us a clue. You have any other clue?
Yes, sir.
3:27.
Go ahead, now go ahead.
Yeah.
So other 20 seconds, nice. Krishna, do you have?
Yeah. 20 seconds in that 10 seconds. What?
So have they really?
No. They haven't given it. No, 3.
So, the discussion.
No, you say the clue. And our response.
So as my teammates mentioned, the person is very active in team discussions and he, calls each and every teammate lots of times, even if the other teammate doesn't pick up the call. He mostly calls the voice or WhatsApp voice call, and he, as I mentioned, he was here for a very short time.
He's very strong both in this class and his other classes also in academics and at the same time in this class also he gave his best effort.
I think it's Dakshina.
Dakshita.
Wow, that's a nice, very nice guess.
Very nice guess, but sorry guys, unfortunately.
Because all the clues are matching him also, that's a very nice guess. First guess over, and the time is also getting elapsed. I'm afraid to say 1 minute left.
Otherwise, what's a voice call? I think you mentioned before from Dakshina school to Keshav.
Sorry, wrong.
Third one.
Like one last clue, it's going to be very simple. One among you knows that person very well. One among you.
Your
What?
Sorry, class. That's also wrong.
Finish it now.
Finish.
Three guesses. Three guesses. Shall we read it?
No, no time.
Oh,
guesses.
Just a
No, please. Tell me. All the way. Right,
Sir,
so,
can I have a try, sir?
okay, so there, once again, Team Hariharan is elapsed. Now, Vishnupriya is leaving. Before I give these guests for online, let's say bye to Vishnupriya. So, see you tomorrow.
Bye, Vishnupriya.
Cinema? Say no. Right. Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Bye, sir. Keep studying strong.
Bye. See you.
so you have to repeat the clues also.
Yeah, give it a try. Online team.
Sir, my guess is Kiran, sir.
Wrong
Sorry,
answer.
Ritan. It's wrong.
Actually, brief time. Kiran, brief time. Reveal it.
Sir,
That's it, sir.
can we take a guess? Not for
Sir, in online they have 3 tries, sir. I have only issued 1 try, sir.
Then speak fast. You secret
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, it's Nitin Murlan, sir.
Sorry, Ritan.
This class anymore.
No.
Shall we? That's not for points, shall we?
Correct. Correct answer. So, for team call 20 points and 20 points for not making anybody say. Making it tricky. So, 40. Nagal is ready.
Send double and
Marketing
double.
lab.
Don't say that.
So, team Krishnan now is 60, right?
Yes, sir.
Online team, are you ready?
Same question. It's not speaking bad.
Online team, are you ready or not? Bloody idiots.
Prabhu. Sir, we are ready, sir.
Then put the name on chat.
Okay, sir.
So you are giving a referee call or team call?
Sir, referee call, sir.
So tell me who it is now. Chat.
So, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Brother, now playing business எல்லாம் பேசு. Wish I had a boxing back here.
Sir, I posted.
Okay. Remove it. I have seen, remove it. Which team are you targeting? Who should guess and who should find?
Sir, we are targeting Dakshinana's team, sir.
Team Krishnan, okay. And how many clues you are giving them?
So 3 kisses, sir.
Alright, okay, so 3 guesses and team Vishwan. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, this person happens to be a very adventurous person, and the person is having a containment ratio attitude. When I say containment ratio attitude, what I mean to say is sometimes